हेलो एवरीवन। अभी हम एसएससी में 500 बहुत बार रिपीट किए जाने वाले वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन की एक सीरीज कर रहे हैं, जिसका ये 6th वीडियो है। इसमें हम 251 से लेकर 300 तक कंप्लीट करेंगे वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 251 में है कोरियोग्राफी, CHOREOGRAPHY, द एक्ट ऑफ डिजाइनिंग एंड अरेंजिंग द स्टेप्स। नृत्य कला। कलीग, COLLEAGUE, a person that one works with at the same place in a professional or a business, साथ काम करने वाला। Communist, COMMUNIST, a person who believes in a support living together and sharing possession and responsibilities, साम्यवादी। Compromise, COMPROMISE, an agreement made between two people or groups, समझौता। Conservative, CONSERVATIVE, holding to traditional attitude and values and caution about change or innovation, a person who is opposed to great sudden social change। अपरिवर्तनवादी। criminal, connected with crime, अपराधी। culpable, CULPABLE, responsible and deserving blame for having done something wrong, अपराधिक। cynosure, CYNOCURE, center of attraction, आकर्षण बिंदु। derelict, DERELICT, a person without a home, a job or property, आवारा व्यक्ति। dialogue, conservation in a look, play or film, movie, संवाद। dipsomania, DIPSOMANIA, an intense persistent desire to drink alcoholic beverage to excess, शराब की लत। dirge, DIRGE, a song sung in the past at a funeral or for a dead person, शोक गीत। effacade, EFFACED, remove completely from recognition, memory, remove by or as if by rubbish, पोंछ कर मिटाना। egoistic, EGOTIST, a person who is excessively conceited or avoided in themselves, अहंगवादी। eligible, ELIGIBLE, a person who is able to have do something because he has the right qualification, is the right age, etc. योग्य। emancipation, EMANCIPATION, freeing something from the control of another, मुक्ति। embezzlement, EMBEZZLEMENT, the act of stealing money that you are responsible for or that belonging to your employer, misappropriation of money, govern। emeritus, EMERITUS, one who is honorably discharged from service, अवकाश प्राप्त। ennui, a state of mental weariness from lack of occupation, विरक्ति। entomologist, a zoologist person who studies insect, कीट विज्ञान शास्त्री। envious, ENVIOUS, feeling of disconnected aroused by someone else's position or qualities, ईर्ष्या। environment, ENVIRONMENT, the conditions that affect the behavior and development of somebody, something, वातावरण। epidemic, EPIDEMIC, a large number of cases of a particular disease happening at the same time in a particular community, महामारी। epigram, EPIGRAM, a short poem phrase that expresses an idea in a clever, amusing way, चुटकुला। eulogy, EULOGY, a speech, piece of writing, praise somebody, something very much, प्रशंसा भाषण। euphemism, EUPHEMISM, an indirect word, phrase that people often use to refer to something। expose, to make known to the public information that was previously known only to a few people, that was meant to be kept secret, बेनकाब। fable, a traditional short story that teaches a moral lesson, काल्पनिक कहानी। fantasy, a pleasant situation that you imagine but that is unlikely to happen, कपोल कल्पित। fascist, a person who supports an extreme political system or attitude which is in a favor of strong central government and causing central government, तो तानाशाही का समर्थन। यहाँ ये कुछ प्रॉपरली वे में नहीं प्रिंटेड है, सो ऊपर नीचे ऐसे करके देखना होगा। फैटल, कॉजिंग और एंडिंग इन डेथ, घातक। फेलिन, कनेक्टेड विथ एन एनिमल और द कैट फैमिली, बिल्ली के समान। फ्लेक्सिबल, able to change to suit new condition, situation. Flora, the plant of a particular area, type of environment or period of time, वनस्पति। Genealogy, the study of family history including the study of who the ancestors of a particular person were, वंशावली। Geology, the study of earth including the origin and history of the rocks, soils of which the earth is made, भू भू भूगर्भ शास्त्र। Germicide, GERMICID, a substance which destroys bacteria etc. अंकुर का नष्ट करने की शक्ति से युक्त। Herbivore, HERBIVORE, eats only plants, शाकाहारी। Heretic, a person who holds orthodox opinion, विधर्मी। Hijack, to use violence or threat to take control of a vehicle in order to force it to travel to a different place or to demand something from a government, एक विमान का अपहरण। Homage, HOMAGE, something that is said, done to show respect for somebody, श्रद्धांजलि। Homogeneous, HOMOGENEOUS, all of the same or similar kind or nature, सजातीय। Horizon, the farthest, okay, spelling है HORIZON, the farthest you can see where the sky seems to meet the land, the sea, क्षितिज। Humanitarian, HUMANITARIAN, concerned with reducing suffering and improving the condition that people live in, मानवीय। Hymn, a song of praise to God or to saints or to a nation, भजन। Idiosyncrasy, IDIOCYNCRASY, a person's particular way of behaving, thinking, etc., especially when it is unusual, अनोखापन। Illicit, ILLICIT, not allowed by law, अवैध। Illiterate, ILLITERATE, not knowing how to read, write, निरक्षर। Implorer, IMPLORER, a person who asks somebody to do something because he needs it very much, अनुनय विनय। Impregnable, songs, okay, spelling है MIMPREGNABLE, strong and impossible to defeat, change, अभेद्य। सो यहाँ हमने कंप्लीट किया पार्ट 6, जिसमें हमने 251 से लेकर 300 तक वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन कंप्लीट किया। पार्ट 7 में हम 301 से लेकर 350 तक कंप्लीट करेंगे वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिए, शेयर करिए, और अगर आप हमारे साथ बने रहना चाहते हैं इसमें तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। थैंक यू सो मच।